Nothing screams Christmas in a cup more than a white chocolate peppermint mocha latte. And today I'm making a keto-friendly version. Let's get straight into that recipe. The first thing you want to do is brew your coffee, but make sure you only use a half a cup of hot water. Now you're going to chop up your white chocolate and add it into your mug. Make sure that your chocolate is keto friendly. So a really good brand that I like to use is called Well Naturally, but if you don't have access to that, another great brand that I love is called Lily's. So check those ones out. Now add in your peppermint essence. You have to be super careful with pouring this though. Make sure you really measure it out because too much can be super overpowering and you'll lose all of that white chocolate flavor. So be very careful. Pour in your vanilla extract. Add in your monk fruit sweetener, but keep in mind when you're deciding how much or how little you put in that the chocolate does have some sweetness to it. So if you don't like drinks that are super sweet, then maybe add 1 teaspoon instead of 2 teaspoons. But I like my drink super sweet, so I add 2. Now we're going to pour in just a little bit of hot water just to really melt down that chocolate and mix it all through with a frother. Or if you don't have a frother, you can put all of these ingredients into a blender and just blend it up. But a milk frother is a lot easier to use. Now we're going to pour our coffee into our mug. Then pour in your cream, but make sure you heat it up first because if you don't, it will cool everything down and then it'll turn into a iced white chocolate peppermint mocha latte, which actually would taste pretty good now that I think about it. If you're strictly dairy-free, you don't have to add in the cream, just make sure you add a little bit more almond milk. Now, in saying that, go ahead and add in your almond milk. Make sure it is warmed. Now, if you want to use the same almond milk that I use, you can click the link in my description and it'll take you to a really delicious creamy almond milk recipe, but you can also just buy it yourself if you don't have time to make it. And to top it all off, I'm going to add just a little bit of unsweetened whipped cream. Now to make it easier on you, I've gone ahead and put the ingredients down in the description below, so make sure you check those out. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, or even if you just want to say hi. I love talking to you guys. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.